doing today. I just realized that I did a wrong price list build, so I went through my YouTube video list, and I just realized that my 585 build was using the wrong parts. It was the right parts, but I needed to add a GPU card to it because I just found out that the Ryzen 53600 does not have integrated video into the CPU. So I had to remove that whole build altogether. I will be doing another build list. This time, it will be a $500 build list, and I think I did one for $780 on the nose build list. Everything is good. All right, my grandson just walked in on my video. I'm not mad. Say hi, buddy.
Hi.
How you doing?
Hi.
So I'll be getting to that there today, and I'll be posting after done editing and posting in it. It will be great. And this time the parts are there and it's right. The $500 build is basically used for schooling, streaming, Hulu, Netflix, internet, Spotify streaming, listen to your music, picture editing, etc. You can also upgrade the board with more parts, such as upgrading the CPU and adding on a graphic card. This is a good build. The parts are right. The parts are there. The 780 build is a great build. The parts are right and the parts are there. I'll be getting those to y'all ASAP to view, and to view the parts that I will be putting in my description list to my viewers. Y'all go ahead on and like, check the parts out, like the video, etc. I'll be getting that out to y'all as soon as possible. So y'all take it easy. All right, little buddy, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Peace.